everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my very messy bathroom. I'm so sorry. My bathroom is not that fancy bathroom that most YouTubers show you. I apologize for that, but look, I'm wearing a David Bowie pajama. I got it at Target. Today, you might be wondering, what the hell are we doing in your bathroom? Well, I'm gonna change my hair color. I got tired of the blue, and I went ahead and got rid of the blue. My hair looks like shit. My plan is to create my own custom hair color using Overtone, and I do have an Overtone review up on this channel. So I went ahead and bought 3 different colors. So the 3 colors that I ended up buying were Extreme Teal, and these are the sample sizes. So this includes 2 ounces. The standard size of the deep conditioning treatment is 8 ounces. So we have Extreme Teal right here. We also have Extreme Yellow right here, and Pastel Green because the other 2 green colors were out of stock. So I had to settle for this. So my idea is to create a forest green. Seems easy? I don't know. I'm gonna apply my color theory. Let's see if I can actually make it happen. But I wasn't able to, you know, strip my hair and be left with just the bleach blonde. The blue stained a lot. I watched around, I don't know, like maybe 15 videos on how to, you know, get rid of blue hair dye. I tried dish soap, I tried clarifying shampoo, tried baking soda. Then I went to Sally's and got, you know, a radical color remover. I mean, they all worked, but fact of the matter is, blue hair dye is very stubborn. I really hope this turns out to be at least decent. I mean, if it turns out to be like crap, I still have more of the blue, but in the daily conditioner, so we shall see. I'm going to mix these 3 deep conditioner colors into my old tub of the Extreme Blue. So this will be my Extreme mix up right here. So let's start off with, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of the teal. I need like a scooper. Let's try it with this. Okay, let's scoop out just a little bit at first. Should this be my base? Let's scoop out everything. It looks really pretty. This looks much more blue than the Extreme Blue. Now let's go in with some Extreme Yellow. This is how it looks like. It looks like mustard. Oh, this is already becoming green and I love it. Blue and yellow make green. Wow, kindergarten. Just a little bit more. I don't mind if the yellow gets a little bit stained. I only bought it for mixing purposes. It's still teal. We're getting there. I feel like we're getting there. Put a little bit more. More green. Look at that. Pastel green. This is green. This is very, very green. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Add a little bit of this guy. Scoop out a little bit of this green. By a little bit, I mean like this much. I think I'm gonna probably use a little bit more yellow. So, pastel green. You know, I'm actually much more optimistic now. This is coming out so damn cool. Let's, look at that. Wow, I feel like Picasso right now. I feel so validated. Let's do a little bit more of the yellow. Perfect. All right, so now let's do this. Got my gloves. I'm so excited. I am super excited. I think I'm just gonna do what I've always done. So I'm going to continue covering my hair with this mixture, and then I'll come back once I'm like fully done covering it. It's gonna take a little bit longer. I have a lot of hair. Alright, so I just covered my entire head with my mixture. I'm gonna let it sit for, I think I might let it sit for an hour, because this is the first time I've ever tried this particular color. So I'm gonna go for 45 minutes up to an hour. We shall see. I'm gonna be on YouTube, so I might lose track of time. Holding my little ring light that I bought from Wish. So I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'll rinse it off, shampoo, condition as normal, style my hair, and then I'll show you the grand reveal, the after, the hopefully green hair. Wish me luck. Alright, I am back. This is how my hair color turned out. I am living for it. This is so good. It's not the forest green that I had envisioned. Weirdly enough, the forest green actually, like, it grabbed onto my bangs really well, so this is hopefully as deep as this color concoction will go. I think next time I do the deep treatment, which will be like a week from now, it will grab on a little bit deeper, just because it happened with the extreme blue deep treatment. So I'm guessing this one will be the same, so it'll be a little bit deeper than this. But regardless, I am loving this new hair color. It is green. It's just so nice. It is so nice, and it's different from the extreme green condition that they offer. This is not so teal, but not as, you know, Kelly green. This is a good color that I mixed up. I'm so happy. I am so happy. For a list of all the colors that I used, I'll leave them in the information bar below. I will be uploading a tutorial, this one, very soon, so be on the lookout for that. I had to do it. I had to do it because I'm so happy with this hair color. So makeup inspired by my hair coming real soon. Make sure you're subscribed to see that. Now my hair is going to be in rehab mode because I was trying to remove as much of the blue out of my hair. But I mean, it'll get back to being healthy-ish in a few weeks. It'll take some time, but it's going to get there. Holy crap! I love this. I love this hair. Good job, me. It wasn't a complete failure. Now I'm gonna enjoy this hair color in Austin, Texas, and for weeks to come, because I do have a tub of this hair mixture in my old recycled extreme blue container. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of this hair color down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're brand new. Hit the notification bell. I'm kind of going through the list of things I need to say before I end the video. If you have any hair color suggestions, let me know also in the comments, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!